Kamusta? Welcome back to Ask Angelo, where we answer all of your construction needs. For today's video, we'll be talking about electrical outlets. Madalas nating naririnig na, okay pa yan, ayos pa yan, di pa naman sira. Or sa mga bahay ba ninyo, wala ng cover plate ang inyong mga electrical outlets? Sira na? Or sunog na because of overheat? That's very dangerous. Kaya for today's video, we're going to demonstrate on how to install or replace an electrical outlet with just in a minute. So, let's go!
First, you'll be needing the following tools:
flat screwdriver, Phillips screw, pliers, cutting pliers, gloves, and set of electrical outlet.
First, you have to unscrew the existing electrical outlet.
There are three types of wires that can be found in an electrical outlet: the positive, the negative, and the ground wire. First, you have to dismantle the existing electrical outlet using a flat screwdriver. Carefully remove the wires from the terminal. Make sure to separate the ground wires from the positive and the negative to avoid confusion. And now, prepare the new sets of electrical outlets. Put on the corresponding wires on the proper terminal block. Again, positive for the positive one, negative for the negative, and the ground wires to the ground wire. Now, secure the plate using a screwdriver. Make sure that it is tight enough. And lastly, put on the cover plate. And there you have it.
That's all for today. How can we help you become a champion builder? Visit us at our Facebook page at MC Home Depot or email us at askangelo@gmail.com. And join us next week. See ya!
MC Home Depot would like to thank Panasonic Manufacturing Corporation for sponsoring this video.